Hi everybody, welcome to Art Time. Today on Art Time, I'm going to be giving you a quick rundown of Paint 3D. If you don't know what Paint 3D is an app that manually comes with Windows 10, and you can make so many different things with it. It's so fun. Now, before I start, I just want to quickly say that you're not going to have all these different things. You have not updated it. To update it, you can just go to Microsoft Store, check for updates, and it will update it for you. So I want to show you some of the quick things that I have made. I've made this #boss, don't call the cat please, you don't call me cute for nothing, and way more. This is what I made with Paint 3D, and I made way more. These are just examples. So let's start. So when you first open it, you're going to be at brushes. So I'm going to click marker, going to change the colors to blue, and maybe write art time or AT. There we go. Now the next one will be 2D shapes. You can click any one you want. I might do this thunder one, and you can just do like this. There we go. And I like it, so I'm going to click a check mark. Now, if you do not have Paint 3D updated, you want to click the stamp for it to stay, or else it will go away. If you do have it updated, you can just click the check mark. There we go. Now we can go to 3D shapes, and we have all these different things, which is so cool. I'm going to click the donut because donuts are delicious, and I'm going to do like this. Alright. And you can rotate it to make it more 3D-like. So I might do like this. Alright. Alright, there. It's going to click this, and it stayed there. So now comes my favorite part of Paint 3D, which is the stickers. Now, there are so many different stickers, as you can see here, and they're so awesome. I love them all so much. So I might click the rainbow because that's pretty nice rainbow. Just click it. I'm going to bring it a bit higher. Just do like this for them. Close this. And now a quick reminder, again, if you do not have Paint 3D updated, make sure you click these steps. So check. There we go. Next thing we have here is text. So you can make it 2D or 3D text. I'm going to stay with a simple 2D text. So you're just going to click this, and automatically a text box will come up, and I'll write Paint 3D. There we go. And I can change the colors. So many different colors. You can even add a color, which you can make your own color here. I might go with a nice teal because I love teal. Alright, and I can change the font, maybe a nice right over here. And look how nice that is. Alright, now you can do effects. And this basically just gives an effect. I don't know how to explain this. This basically just does this kind of stuff. I like this. It's pretty nice. I might click the red one. No, the blue one. Alright, there. Now, canvas. I don't know how to explain this. It just changes the canvas size. Whoop or whoop. I like to keep it at the size that it originally gives me. And there's your 3D library. Alright, so this is how to use 3D. I know this isn't very nice, but that is because I'm just putting anything on there showing you what you can make. You can make so many more things. Be creative. Tell me what you made in the comments down below. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Till next time, bye-bye, artists!